So today we're going to show you how to prepare this easy one-pot meal. So welcome if this is your first time, or welcome back if you are a returning subscriber. We're indeed happy to have you. Let's get cooking. So I'm trying this meal for the first time. It's a one-pot meal. So there I have my chicken, which is all well seasoned with my bell pepper, red and green, on my tomatoes, onion, thyme, right? And over here we have a potato, carrots, and our broccoli. So what I'm going to do, I have this little, I grease it with a little butter. I'm going to put some of the, and my hands are washed, so I'm going to basically go around with some of everything into it, right? Then we put the chicken in the middle. I'm going to put chicken in the middle and try to cook this meal. Okay, so we're basically going to put it in the oven and have it cooked in the oven. So that's what we are doing now. I hope it comes out good. Doing this for the first time. So it's all done. So we add a little black pepper, a little butter, and we're going to pop this into the oven to bake. All right, so let's see what the finished product looks like. There it is. Don't know if you can see the heat coming out. Wow, so it's soft. Okay, so I'm going to taste it. Actually, it tastes good. It's kind of chicken. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Look at that. This is some potatoes. And this is me eating it. So we have some broccoli. So let's try broccoli and chicken. See, chicken's really soft. And the broccoli. I'm gonna have this now. No, it was absolutely delicious. I added nothing else to this pot. I believe I'll be cooking this very often. Now, if you want to see me eat it all, check out this next video, guys.